Hello. So today we're going to be making Jamaica, also known as hibiscus tea. It's made with dried hibiscus flowers, and it is extremely simple. It is extremely good, and I drink it all the time. And this is 100 grams of dried hibiscus. Once everything's boiled, you're going to turn off the heat, then add your hibiscus, and then you're going to let it steep until it's cool. And do not boil the hibiscus flowers. All right, so once it's cooled down, you're going to strain it off into a pitcher, and you can squeeze out the flowers there, and you'll end up with a concentrate. You're going to dilute it with water, and we're going to dilute it again. Mix quite a bit. It's extremely powerfully strong. So it goes a long way. If you're doing punch or sangria, this is a good base. And that's Jamaica. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. And hasta.